Now, in the NOLA, rain don't ever make up its mind. 1 minute it's dry, next minute downpour. Gotta love Louisiana. Y'all, this is my first time seeing a reel this big in person. I'm getting the gator necklace, y'all.
See what type of shrimp it is.
How old is it?
Somebody at the gas station told Al to get this. He said they like that. I kind of thought I was going to be complaining about the heat. Nope. It's JR.
All right, y'all, listen. I'm over for a snack.
Y'all see these? I officially gave them a nickname, and I call them spaceships. Dangerous spaceships.
Now these stinky, they stinky. Some crazy ass fish.
He ain't trying to touch that damn fish. Now the behind the scenes is here, but if you want to see the Louisiana size action, head over to A Lot of Fish TV on all platforms.